Hey guys, welcome back yet again for this week's content. Thank you so much for taking the time each and every week to show up for growth and to watch my content. And if you're watching this for the first time, welcome. My name is Blessing Buren. Each and every week, I have a new content coming up on how to live an intentional life, build habits and systems that helps you live in alignment with your purpose. And if this resonates with you, please make sure that you stay with me by subscribing to the channel so that next time when I upload new content you don't miss anything. So today I want to share with you 5 things that you need to avoid if you want to quit a bad habit even faster. So without wasting any more time, let's go to number 1, which is not having a plan. One of the best quotes that I love to use in explaining the importance of having a plan in our life is by Benjamin Franklin, that says, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. That tells you how important having a plan is in our lives. Now, one of the few things that James Clear in his best-selling book that he suggests is have a system that allows you to break any habit even much easier. And one of the few things that he suggests is make it difficult to do and make it unattractive to do. That's just few of the things that he shares, but there's a lot in his book that he dives into. He dives into science and all the things that has to do with breaking any habit. And guess what? I have left it in the description below as a PDF form. It's easy to download, so please make sure that you check it out in the description below. And the second thing to avoid if you want to quit any bad habit even faster is to avoid doing things the way you have always done. One of the things that the best-selling author suggests is redesign your environment so that it doesn't support the old habit that you want to quit, but it supports the new habit that you want to build or the life that you want to live. Just do things differently. Move the furniture, move the bed, everything. And the third thing is not learning how habits work and why we behave the way we do. Now, this is a big one because if we learn how habits work and why we behave the way we do, it's easy to know what to expect, how to navigate difficulties throughout the journey, and how to control ourselves throughout the process. Now, according to James, habits work in 4 phases, which is the cue. This is what reminds us of the reward. If we behave this way, these are the rewards that we are going to get. Then it's craving. Now we crave the reward, we crave for the pleasure. Now it's response. And the last part is the actual reward. Now, according to him, he says that the purpose of any habit is to help us solve a problem that we have. So it's very important that we know how habits work and why we behave the way we do, so that we know along the process that this is what is happening now. I'm supposed to behave like this, because when we don't know what is happening, it's easy to relapse. The fourth thing to avoid if you want to quit any bad habit even faster is trying to do it on your own. Now, if you want to delay the process of quitting any habit even faster, try to do it on your own. The simplest way to achieve any goal is to find those who are going through the same thing, those who understand the process, those who have been there, and those who will hold you accountable, those who know where you are going, those who know what life you want to live. It's the simplest way you can do for yourself. There's group chats, there's Facebook groups. Join those groups, speak with people. That is the easiest thing that you can do in the process of quitting that bad habit. And the last part of our conversation of 5 things you need to avoid if you want to quit any bad habit even faster is not to stick to the plan. I think this is one of the biggest out of all the 4 that I've shared with you. Everything has been taught to you. You have learned how habits work. You have joined a tribe. You have created the plan, but you decide, I won't follow the plan. You procrastinate. You overthink the process. You delay. Guess what will happen? You will relapse. You will go back to the way you have always done things. And guess what? Nothing will change. I want to leave you with a quote by Jim Rohn, which says, nothing changes until you change. And guys, these are my 5 things to avoid if you want to quit any bad habit even faster. I hope you have found so much value, and please make sure that if you did, you subscribe, leave a comment, tell me what you think, which one was your favorite.